So maybe I didn't break it. I didn't break it. Man, that was tough. Ow!
Are you okay?
So to give you guys a little bit of an update, I gathered all of the parts that I wanted for the demo car, and I was gonna start putting them on the car because I figured I could do that even if the engine wasn't in the car. But then I got on an Instagram live stream and we kind of all collectively decided that you guys wanted to see the stock parts working on the car versus the modified parts.
Everyone decided?
Well, yeah.
I wasn't a part of that.
Were you on the live stream?
No.
You should probably turn on your post notifications. But anyway, yeah, so I was gonna do that, but you guys want to see the stock parts working versus the modified parts working. So I kind of can't do that if the car's not running. And like I said, it's been really difficult for me to source an engine for this car because of the virus. It's very hard to get anything from any kind of Asia right now. So Japan's in Asia, right? Is it in Asia or no?
Dude.
Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess we'll finish the unboxing then. I guess we'll open all the stuff. I'm just so excited. I don't want to wait, honestly. Like, all these boxes are just going to sit here when I could at least be staring at parts. Like, motivation. You know what I mean? I guess. I don't even know what this is. I'm not great at this. Don't ask me to do an unboxing video. Like, do you see what you're gonna get? This is the product that you get. Oh, I'm stoked about this. So I ordered a short shifter. Wisdom Media actually recommended this short shifter to me, believe it or not. He used to have one of these. Ooh, I'm excited. So I got a short shifter for the race car and for the demo car because the 350Z shifting is just like really long, and it's just there's a lot going on in there, okay? And it's like you miss shift sometimes and stuff like that. I've always wanted a short shifter, so I picked this one up. I guess we'll see if it's good. So I'm bad enough at unboxings, but this whole box is just tape. I will tell you that Collins, number one, has very good branding, and number two, they have pretty good packaging for their stuff. I know exactly what this is. This is my transmission brace because I have a Collins trans brace on my race car, and I wanted one for the demo car. So I actually hit him up and I was like, hey, do you make one just for like the stock Z transmission with the stock Z engine and all that stuff? And he said that he actually had one sitting in his shop, so he sent me this one. So I'm excited for this because I really didn't like the Z's stock transmission brace, so that's exciting. This is all of the hydro stuff that I don't know what to do with at all because brakes scare me. I don't want to mess with my brakes on my own car. So I know exactly what all this stuff is. This is the, yep. Okay, so I run SPL camber and tow arms on the race car because I dirt drop all the time and their stuff is super strong, so it like never breaks. So this should be probably the tow arm and this is probably the camber arm. I think I'm just gonna put these on right now, actually.
Like now?
Yeah, like right now.
What about the rest of these boxes?
I'll get back to them later. Let's go.
All right.
What are you doing there, Bree?
F***ing shut up. No, I'm kidding. Yo, your facial reactions are freaking priceless. All right, so here's the old camber arm, right? I would like for you to notice the size difference. And that is why I run SPL, because these will not break. When I told SPL that I got this car, they were like, you need camber and tow arms. And I was like, yep. These are adjustable. The actual arm itself is adjustable. So what you do is, see how this is adjustable? There's like a thread on there, right? So that's how you adjust it to make it longer. And you always want to make sure you count your threads and everything, blah, 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 stuff like that, right? To make sure that everything's the same and everything's even. But a little trick To make sure that they're gonna line up and everything's gonna line up properly, you take your bolt that you had at the bottom of it and you stick it through the two. This is like a kind of cheater way of doing your alignment, just so that you can get your car on the road to at least go get it aligned. So you just stick this bolt through here and you put the nut on the other end, and then you'll know that your camber arms are both lined up the same way. So then you can just try to get this one to be the height of this one. My favorite part about the toe arms is probably that you can get rid of this. Oh, this thing is so heavy. This is heavier than this. Feel how much heavier this one is? Feel this one first.
Jeez.
Yeah. Don't drop this, but feel how heavy that is.
Oh, wow.
And that's just the spring. That's not even this bucket. Feel this.
This is pan doing. And
Yeah, it's heavy.
why do you have that soup pan? That soup pot?
It's like a pan, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That thing?
Nah. All that for this. Simplicity.
Thanks, SPL.
Yeah, thanks SPL.
The next day.
It's a new day. All right, so yesterday I was able to install the SPL camber and toe arms on the car. So today I'm gonna do some other little stuff that's not affecting the performance of the car in any way, shape, or form. I'm gonna install my Street Faction door cards. And then probably add some flake to these brake calipers, because I put flake on the race car's brake calipers and it looks way cooler. So I'm just gonna add more flake to this one.
Don't be flaky.
You're flaky.
Wow, those are nice. Sparkly. Whoa. What are those?
What are those? These are door cards. These are my old Street Faction door cards. I used to run them on the race car, and I always like putting these door cards on the Z because it just gives me more room in the car for the door panel, because the stock door panel is like really like bubbly. I just really like these, so I'm gonna put these on because I got new ones for the race car, so I'm gonna put these ones on the demo car instead. But I have to take the door panel off first. So,
Quarantine things.
bro, I'm so bored. I'm so bored. What do I need for this? I think I need a flathead. Ow.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Ow.
Dude, are you alright?
I think actually,
That looked like it hurt.
I did.
You cut your lip.
Yeah, dude. I literally always hit my mouth when I'm working on my car. Like, that is how I always hurt myself, because I'm always like so close to everything, like looking at it, trying to get it done.
I thought you were joking at first.
I'm not joking.
Well, apparently.
I know, I literally have blood on my sweatshirt.
Why you got your, what's, jeez.
I hurt myself, I'm injured. To mount the window switches and the mirror and everything and the locks for the Street Faction door cards, it's not really that hard. They send you this little panel to attach all of your stock stuff to. There you go, like that. Just pops in there and it sits like this. It's held on by like these little clip things. And then you're pretty much good to go after you like plug all your stuff back in, but you can mount this to the door. Yeah, so it's pretty much it. And then you just attach it to the door with these actual bolts right here. Then you plug it in and then you're good to go. Okay.
Wow, this thing's pretty.
I know. I just have to do this. Right here or what?
Looks good.
I think it's good. Hopefully I can do this straight. I'm not good with stickers either. I'm not good with sticky things like unboxings. Anything that involves any kind of tape. Straight, huh? Right? Is that straight? Is that straight? Is that straight? Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Woo! Dang, stoked. All right, we're done. Sick. And it's light outside for once. So crazy. I wish something was open.
I'm gonna go home.
Bye.